Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest, most efficient way to buy Bitcoin. And you can do this on any device, on your smartphone, on your iPhone, Android, or even on your computer in your browser. So I've been doing an experiment buying $1 of Bitcoin every day for over 1,300 days. You can find that experiment on my channel. It's very interesting. And the dollar cost average method for Bitcoin is actually paid off nicely. With this experiment, I've tested basically every app. You know, there are other apps where you can buy Bitcoin like Cash App, Robinhood, Coinbase, Binance, but the app that I'm showing you today is going to be the easiest, best, most efficient way. And this app is called Strike. So we're going to open up Strike here. This is very similar to Cash App for those that have used that, or any peer-to-peer payment financial app. So first, in order to get started, you of course need to download the app. Link in the description if you want to use that. You can get $10 for free. You'll need to sign up, create an account. I think you'll have to submit your ID to prove you're a real person and be approved. It's a very fast and simple process that anybody should be able to follow. And this is the standard process that's used on basically any investment or financial app. Once you're done with that, like I said, if you use my link, you'll have $10 free right here on the app. If not, just go to your home screen over here and click deposit and deposit some cash onto your app. Then it'll show here in your cash balance. You have this screen where you can send and receive money from your friends. We have a history screen, a card coming soon, and then the Bitcoin screen. So you can see your balance up at the top, and you can tap on this to toggle between Bitcoin and US dollars. Below that, it's going to show a chart, the current Bitcoin price. We can look at like a 1 week chart, a 1 month chart, a 1 year chart, all time, just like all of the other apps. Very simple to do. Go to the Bitcoin screen, tap buy. We're going to type in the amount of US dollars that we want. I'm just going to buy $1. By the way, there's no fees or anything like that on this app for buying, selling, sending, receiving, no fees. We're going to tap next. It's going to give us our info here and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased $1 more of Bitcoin. You can see my balance increase at the top. We can toggle that as well. Now you have the Bitcoin here in your app, and you can choose to do whatever you want with it. You can send it to a separate wallet. That's what I do, so it's more secure. I'm not storing it on an app or any third party or any place where anyone else has control of it. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. So I have a separate wallet where I send my Bitcoin. This is that wallet right here. So I'm going to copy this address. Then up in the top right corner, you're going to see the send icon. So click send. I'm going to tap paste at the bottom. Allow paste. We can type in the amount that we want to send. I'm just going to tap on max and tap confirm. Just like that, it's sent the Bitcoin to my other wallet. It should be there within a half hour or so, and I'm good to go. That's how simple it is. You can literally buy Bitcoin in like 10 seconds and send that to whatever wallet that you want to use to store your Bitcoin safely. I recommend getting a ledger or something of that sort. And that'll do it for this video. The easiest, fastest, most efficient, best app that I've found for buying Bitcoin. You can check out more videos on my channel that are related to this topic. I hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.